In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your text case on Microsoft Word. It's very much simple and easy. So let's say you have a lot of, pages on a particular file. So you can see this is 12 pages. Down here, you can see, and I want to change everything on here to caps, that's uppercase. So what I need to do is Ctrl+A to select everything. And then I move to my tab here, which is home, or you call it a ribbon or tab, anyhow you call it. And now you come here to this. You can see change case. Now I tap on here and you can see lowercase, you can get uppercase. So I said we want to change it to uppercase rather. So good. And we are done. So now let me try reverting my action. Good. And I have it selected. Now I move to the same place and then I try to toggle it. And you can see from small to big, small to big, small to big, something like that. And now let me revert the action once again. And let me capitalize each word, something like that. Good, and it's done. So at the start of every word is going to start from a capital letter, something like that. So that's it on how you change your text case on Microsoft Word. Very simple and easy. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.